Living Healthy Show presents Georgia Organic Farm Tours at Habashan Garden Complex, Part 1.
First of all, I want to welcome you to the Habashan Gardens Complex here in Atlanta. My name is Kashawn Myers. I'm the Executive Director of the organization that facilitates and maintains this space, Habashan Incorporated. I'll be sharing with you, but we also have others who are part of our team here. They can introduce themselves.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Charles Greenlee. I'm the Program Coordinator for Habashan Incorporated.
Greetings. My name is Jada. I just finished the Habashan Works program. So I'm here.
Good morning. My name is Tiffany Jones. I am a Habashan Works alumni, and I'm also a Food Corps service member.
Yay!
So I was sharing earlier for those who came late, or not late, but came a little later, that we will be, the tour will be not just a walk-in tour, but for those who are interested, it'll be a working tour as well. I know they didn't put that disclaimer in the tour guide, but if you don't, we do have some things. If you came in your nice outfit for later on for the conference, it's okay. But we will be doing some activities if you're interested in. We always love when we have visitors at our garden space to have you touch the soil, connect to the land, and to leave something that you can come back and see. So at the minimum, we'll hope that you will transplant, some of our greens or plant some onions with us today, that you can come back and maybe have a few for yourself or at least see how they're growing and helping. The Habashan Garden Complex was started in 2003 in the Mechanicsville community here. If you look to my right, your left, where you see the blue and yellow playground, we were there for 4 years. And what we did, I don't know if some of you heard of the term guerrilla gardening. We literally, at the time, there was a library inside of this center that's behind you. This is the Dunbar Neighborhood Center. There was a librarian here, and we knew one of the librarians. She told us about an empty space that about 10 years before had been used for a garden. By that time, the grass had grown up to about this level. No one was using it, and it was really an eyesore in the community. So myself and 4 or 5 other people decided that we wanted to use that space and beautify it. And they wanted to engage their students. So they asked us to participate in the after-school program. So in 2004, we began a program called Sustainable Seeds, which is teaching math, science, health, and nutrition in the garden. So we did Sustainable Seeds for about 3 years at that site. They told us that they would need that space for a playground. However, there was another space nearby that used to be a playground, which is right here, that we could utilize. At the time, we were not so happy, but we appreciated them coming to us because, again, we didn't ask for permission to come and start the garden. So we appreciated that, but we had put so much time into the soil and building the space up. But we saw it as our only way. So we came here, and when we first came out here, there was nothing here. There was a chain link fence. There was a lot of plastic. There was nothing here. It was an old playground. And we began the process of transforming this space into what you see today. So since 2007, the Habashan Garden Complex has been here. We use this space as an outdoor classroom. We use this space as an event center. It's a demonstration site. We have festivals, parties, other activities here as well. So what we'll do is we'll take a walk and we'll show you some of the demonstrations that we have on site. And then at the end, like I said, the last 25, 30 minutes, we'll break up into stations and you'll get a chance to participate in some of the things. Habashan. Habashan is an Ethiopian name. It's Amharic. It's Amharic, the language of Amharic. And our organization, the acronym, is actually an acronym. Habashan stands for Helping Africa by Establishing Schools at Home and Abroad. So we do work here in the U.S. and also in Africa, both Ethiopia, Ghana. I actually just got back about 2 weeks ago. I've been gone for 6 months. We're doing a project in Ghana. So we do work around agriculture, sustainability, and health and nutrition internationally.